y equals this function, what do we do here? We say which one of these rules we are able to apply here that will make us solve this problem of ease. All right, because we have the power rule, we have the product rule, we have the quotient rule, we have the chain rule. So in this problem, for us to solve this problem of ease, we need to apply the quotient rule. All right, that is quotient rule. Here the quote that is equal to f prime of x g of x minus f of x g prime of x, or divides g of x squared. Alright, g of x squared. So this is it. That's the formula. So that means in this problem we have to apply this rule to enable us solve this problem of ease. Alright? So now follow me as we do this together. We have y prime of x is equal to. Now let's get the formula. The first one there is what? F prime of x. So it means we're going to make this entire numerator f of x, and then the denominator g of x. All right. So now we're going to have cos x. We're going to have cos x plus x sin x. Okay, and then we have this sin x minus x cos x. This is g of x. We say f of x is the entire numerator, while g of x is the entire denominator. So minus f of x again. F of x here is what? Parenthesis opens. Cos x plus x sin x. Parenthesis open, closes. Then we have the denominator, that is g of x. G of x is what? Is sin x minus x cos x prime. Okay. Now, all divides the denominator. That means here we're going to have it done like this, being done like this. So we're going to have sin x minus x cos x squared, because there it is squared. Now, we have set the problem. Alright? After setting it in this form, what do we do next? We simplify them. Now, how do we do this? We have this, so it means in this form we're going to differentiate this and hold this constant. We hold this constant and differentiate this. Alright? So follow me as we do this once again. We have y prime of x is equal to, so we're going to have cos x. The differential of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Alright? And then here, everything inside we're going to differentiate them. So it means we apply product rule here. We need to apply product rule here to enable us have this solve for ease. Alright? So we have x sin x. It means we're going to differentiate this. We hold this, we differentiate this and hold this sin constant. So this is what I mean. It means here we're going to have plus the differential of x here is 1. Alright? So that means we're going to have sin x. And then we hold this x constant and differentiate the sin x. So that means here we're going to have the x that we hold it constant plus x. The differential of sin x is what? Is cos x. It's cos x. Okay. So now we are done with differentiating this. What do we do next? What we have to do next is just write this down as it is. We have sin x minus x cos x. Alright. So now we'll get to the next term. Minus parenthesis open cos x plus x sin x. Now, the same rule we apply here, the same method that was applied here, we have to apply it here. Alright? So, right here now, we have sin x. We have to differentiate sin x. So, the differential of sin x will give us cos x minus the differential of, we have to differentiate this, applying power rule. So, here applying power rule, we're going to differentiate this and hold cos constant. From there, we add it and then hold s constant and differentiate cos. This is what I mean. What do I mean? So here we have x. The differential of x is what? 1. So that means we're going to have only cos left here. Cos x. Then the next one, we go s constant. So that means we're going to have minus our cos. We're going to have minus x, the derivative of cos. The derivative of cos is sin minus sin x. So the negative will be affected. So that's why this is positive. So that's what makes it positive. Now we close it and then divide it by sin x minus x cos x squared. Now this is another step. What do we do here next? What we have to do here is to simplify it as it is. So we have negative sin x and positive, and then we have positive cos x and positive and negative cos x. So that means that this will cancel here. So in this form now, what we have to do is to write the simplified form down. So we're going to have y prime of x, y prime of x, okay, is equal to x cos x. So this figure will multiply the entire thing inside here, minus x cos x. All right, minus the term there, minus we have also be cos x plus x sin x times sin x. All right, all divides sin x minus s cos x squared. Now, having reduced this one, what I have to do now is we times this one by this one, by all the one are inside here, and then times this by, and times this or x sin x by all the figures inside here. All right. So now we're gonna have y prime of x is equal to x cos x sin x. All right. This time this is going to give us minus s squared cos square x, and then we're going to have minus. We're going to have minus negative. X sin x times cos x is going to give us x. Going to give us x cos x sin x. All right. So right here we're going to use this form where x sin x times x sin x will give us minus. We multiply this by this, give us minus, because this negative is affecting all the sign in here. So it's going to give us minus s squared sin square x. Sin square x. All right, that's it. And then we divide it now. Wow. As you can see, this is a long problem. X cos x sin, okay, square. So now we have gotten it in this form. What we have to do is to check for the same term and then cancel them. So that means here we're going to have s cos x sin x minus x cos x sin x. So that means this term and this one will cancel. All right. Then we're going to be left with. All right, so we have negative s squared cos square x. While we have negative s squared sin square x. So that means we're going to have x. We're going to have x squared cos square x minus s squared sin square x, all divides sin x minus x cos x, all square. Now we are not done yet. We are not done here yet. So we need to simplify it to the least to lowest term. All right. So that means here I'm going to have so cos square x. This is negative and this is negative outside here. So that means here we're going to put positive. So that negative times positive will give us negative. So here we're going to have sin square x all divides sin x minus s cos x squared. Alright, to finally finalize this, we know that yes, from our trig function table we have s cos square x plus sin square x to be 1. So that means we're going to multiply negative x squared by 1. So here we're going to have to finally finalize the answer. Y prime of x will give us negative x squared all divides sin x minus x cos x squared. That's what we are done. This serves as our answer to this question. Thank you very much for following us.